Let me show you how to put the washer on the calibration mode. Calibration must be performed when any of the following components have been replaced: the main control, the basket, the drive assembly, the suspension rods, the motor, or the capacitor. Put the cycle selector knob in this position and turn it the way I'm going to show you within 6 seconds. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. If all the green LED lights are flashing on and off, the washer is on the service diagnostic test mode. Turn the cycle selector knob to the right until the rinse light is on. Then push on the start button to start the calibration mode. Do not interrupt the calibration, disturb the washer, or remove the power. Otherwise, calibration must be repeated. In other words, let the machine finish the calibration mode on its own. It will take between 2 and 4 minutes to complete the calibration mode. The best thing to do is to take a walk and come back to check the washer in about 4 minutes. I am speeding this part of the video because it's boring watching blinking lights and I don't want you to fall asleep, okay? When the washer finishes the calibration mode, all the lights should be off. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope that the video could be of some help to you. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.